Getting a haircut at a salon.
Hi there. How can I help?
I want a haircut, please.
Sure. What style do you want?
Just a little shorter.
Okay. How much shorter exactly?
Maybe 2 inches shorter?
Got it. Please sit here.
Thank you.
Do you want it layered too?
What does layered mean?
Different lengths for more volume.
Oh, I see. Yes, please.
Great choice. This will look nice.
I hope so.
Do you wash your hair daily?
No, maybe 3 times a week.
That's actually good for your hair.
Oh, really? I didn't know.
Yes, too much washing dries it out.
That's helpful. Thank you.
Almost done now.
It looks great so far.
Do you want some hair oil?
Sure, why not?
This will add some shine.
Sounds nice. Thank you.
Thank you. All finished now.
Wow, I love it.
I'm so glad you like it.
Thank you so much. How much do I owe?
That's 30 pounds, please.
Here you go. Thanks again.
Opening a bank account.
Good morning. How can I help?
I want to open an account.
Sure. What type of account?
What types do you have?
Savings account or checking account?
I think checking account, please.
Good choice. Do you have ID?
Yes, here's my passport.
Thank you. And proof of address?
Yes, here's a letter.
Perfect. Do you work currently?
Yes, I work at a hospital.
Great. What's your monthly income, roughly?
Around $3,000.
Good. That helps with the application.
Oh, okay, that's good then.
This will take 10 minutes.
Okay, no problem. I'll wait.
I'm almost finished now.
Great. Thank you for your patience.
Do you want online banking too?
Yes, please. That's very helpful.
Do you also want a debit card?
Yes, definitely. I need that.
All done. Here's your new card.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Welcome to our bank.
Thanks again. Have a great day.
You too. Take care.
Bye now.
Asking a neighbor for help.
Hi. Sorry to bother you.
Oh, hi. No problem at all.
Can you help me with something?
Sure. What do you need?
My door is locked. I'm stuck.
Oh no, that's bad.
Do you have a spare key?
No, sorry, I don't have one.
Okay. What should I do?
Maybe call the building manager?
Good idea. Do you know the number?
Yes, I have it on my phone.
That would be really helpful.
Here, this is the number.
Thank you so much for this.
Can I wait here with you?
Yes, please. That's kind.
It's no trouble at all.
How long have you lived here?
About 2 years now.
Oh, nice. I just moved in.
Welcome then. It's a quiet building.
That's good to hear.
I hope it helps, this number.
Okay. I'm calling now.
Good luck. Let me know.
I will. Thanks again, really.
Anytime. That's what neighbors are for.
I'm glad you're my neighbor.
Me too. See you around.
Reporting a lost wallet.
Hello. How can I help you?
I lost my wallet today.
I'm sorry to hear that.
It had my cards inside.
Okay, let's fill out a form.
Sure. What do you need to know?
First, where did you lose it?
Maybe at the train station?
What time was this, roughly?
Around 2 o'clock this afternoon.
Okay. What color is the wallet?
It's black with a small zipper.
Did it have cash inside too?
Yes, about 40 pounds, I think.
That's helpful. I'll note that down.
Do you think you'll find it?
We can't promise, but we'll try.
I understand. Thank you.
Did you cancel your bank cards?
Not yet. Should I do that?
Yes, that's very important right now.
Okay, I'll call them today.
Can I get your name, please?
Yes, it's Paige Mitchell.
Thank you. And your phone number?
It's 07445521.
Perfect. We'll call if we find it.
Thank you so much.
Try not to worry too much.
I'll try. Thanks for your help.
Meeting someone new at a party.
Hi, I don't think we've met.
Oh, hi. I'm Haley.
Nice to meet you. I'm Tyler.
Nice to meet you too.
How do you know the host?
We work together, actually.
Oh, cool. What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer.
That sounds creative. I like that.
Thank you. What about you?
I'm a teacher at a school.
Oh, nice. What subject?
I teach math, actually.
I was bad at math.
Most people say that.
Have you been to this area before?
Yes, a few times. I love it.
Me too. The food here is great.
Have you tried the tacos yet?
Not yet. Are they good?
Amazing. You should try them.
Okay, I will. Thanks.
Want to get some together?
Sure, that sounds great.
Great. Let's go find them.
Lead the way then.
This way, I think.
You're not sure either?
Nope, not really.
Let's find out together.
Asking someone for the time.
Excuse me, do you have the time?
Yes, it's 2:30.
Thank you so much.
No problem at all.
Are you waiting for someone?
Yes, my friend, actually.
Hope they come soon.
Me too. She's usually late.
Haha, that happens with friends sometimes.
Definitely. Are you from here?
No, I'm just visiting, actually.
Oh, nice. How do you like it?
It's beautiful. Very green here.
Yes, this park is lovely.
Do you come here often?
Yes, almost every weekend.
That's nice. Good for relaxing.
Exactly. It clears my mind.
Sorry, what time again?
It's 2:35 now.
Oh, I need to go soon.
Curious. Do you have plans?
Yes, meeting someone at 3.
Better hurry then.
You're right, I should.
Good luck with your meeting.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye now.
Bye. Thanks again.
Small talk in an elevator.
Morning. Which floor?
Oh, floor 7, please.
Sure thing. Same as me.
Oh, what a coincidence.
Do you work for the marketing team?
Yes, actually. How did you know?
I saw your badge.
Oh, that makes sense.
I work in finance, by the way.
Nice to meet you then.
You too. Busy day so far?
Very busy. Lots of meetings.
Same here. Non-stop today.
Mondays are always like this.
Tell me about it.
Have you worked here long?
About a year now.
Oh, nice. I just started.
Welcome then. How's it going?
Pretty good. Still learning things.
That's normal. Take some time.
Thanks. That's reassuring to hear.
Oh, here's our floor.
Already? That was quick.
Yes, have a great meeting.
Thank you. You too.
See you around, maybe.
Sure. See you. Inviting a friend together.
Hey, are you free tonight?
Yes, I think so.
Great. Want to get dinner?
Sure. Where do you want to go?
How about that new Italian place?
Oh, yes. I've wanted to try it.
Perfect. What time works for you?
Maybe 7 o'clock?
That works for me too.
Should we make a reservation?
Good idea. I'll call them now.
Great. Let me know what they say.
Okay, they have a table.
Perfect. I'm excited now.
Me too. It's been a while.
I know. Too long, actually.
Should I pick you up?
That would be nice. Thanks.
No problem. Around 6:30 then?
Sounds good. I'll be ready.
Do you want to invite anyone else?
Maybe Sarah, if she's free.
Sure, give her a call.
Okay, I'll text her now.
Great. See you tonight then.
Can't wait. See you soon.
Me too. Bye.
Bye. Thanks for inviting me.
Asking about the leather.
It's so cold today.
I know, I should have worn a coat.
Did you check the forecast?
Yes, it says rain later, too.
Great, just what we need.
Welcome to British weather.
Is it always like this here?
Pretty much, yes. Very unpredictable.
How do you deal with it?
I always carry an umbrella,
Even when it's sunny?
especially when it's sunny.
That's smart, actually. Good advice.
Years of experience, I guess.
Do you like winter or summer better?
Summer, definitely. Less rain.
Me too. I prefer warm weather.
Where are you from originally?
I'm from Spain, actually.
Oh, wow. Big change then.
Yes, very different weather there.
I bet you miss the sun.
Every single day, honestly.
Oh, the bus is coming.
Finally, I'm freezing out here.
Me too. Let's get warm.
Yes, please. Can't wait.
Almost there, just 2 minutes.
Asking for help at a library.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for a book.
Sure. What's the title?
It's called The History of England.
Let me check the computer system.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Typing. Okay, found it. Second floor.
Great. Which section exactly?
History section, near the windows.
Do I need a library card?
Yes, to borrow it, you do.
I think I have one.
Perfect. How long can I keep it?
Sorry, I meant to ask that.
No worries. 3 weeks, usually.
That's plenty of time. Thanks.
Do you need anything else today?
Actually, where's the quiet study area?
It's upstairs on the 3rd floor.
Perfect. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome. Enjoy your reading.
I will. Thanks again.
Anytime. Come back if needed.
I will. Have a good day.
You too. Good luck with studying.
First day at a new job.
Welcome. You must be Megan.
Yes, that's me. Hi.
I'm Derek, your team lead.
Nice to meet you, Derek.
Let me show you your desk.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Here it is, right here.
Oh, it's really nice.
Do you have your computer login?
Yes, I have it written down.
Great. Let me introduce you around.
Okay, sounds good.
This is Olivia from accounting.
Nice to meet you, Olivia.
And this is the break room.
Oh, great. Where's the coffee machine?
Right there, by the fridge.
Perfect. I'll need that today.
First days are always tiring.
Definitely. I'm a bit nervous.
Don't worry, everyone's friendly here.
Relieved. That's good to know.
Any questions so far?
Just, what time is lunch?
Usually around 12:30.
Got it. Thank you.
If you need help, just ask me.
I will. Thanks so much.
Welcome to the team, Megan.
Thank you. Happy to be here.
Calling about a broken Wi-Fi?
Hello, tech support. How can I help?
Hi, my Wi-Fi isn't working.
I'm sorry about that. Let's check it.
Okay, what should I do?
First, is the router plugged in?
Yes, it's plugged in.
Good. Are any lights on?
Yes, there's a red light.
Okay, that means there's a problem.
Oh no, what now?
Let's try restarting the router.
How do I do that?
Unplug it, wait 10 seconds, plug back in.
Okay, done. Now what?
Wait 2 minutes for it to start.
Okay, I'm waiting now.
Has the light changed color yet?
Yes, it's green now.
Perfect. That means it's working.
Oh, thank goodness.
Can you check your internet now?
Yes, it's working again.
Great news. Anything else today?
No, that's everything. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Thanks for your help.
Anytime. Bye now.
Bye. Thanks again.
Asking for a recommendation at a bookstore.
Excuse me, can you help?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I want a good novel.
Sure. What genre do you like?
Maybe mystery or thriller?
I have a great suggestion then.
Oh, great. What's it called?
The Silent Patient. Very popular.
Oh, I've heard of that one.
It's really good, trust me.
Okay, I'll take your word for it.
Do you like long books or short?
Shorter is better, honestly.
This one's perfect then, not too long.
Great. How much does it cost?
It's $12, paperback.
That's reasonable. I'll buy it.
Good choice, you'll enjoy it.
Do you have a rewards program?
Yes, would you like to join?
Sure. How does it work?
You earn points with every purchase.
That sounds useful. Sign me up.
Great, I just need your email.
Sure, here it is.
Perfect, you're all set now.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy the book.
I definitely will. Thanks.
Picking up a package at the post office.
Good morning. How can I help?
Hi, I'm here to collect a package.
Sure. Do you have the notice?
Yes, here it is.
Great. Can I see some ID?
Of course, here's my license.
Thank you. One moment, please.
Sure, no problem.
Here's your package.
Wow, it's bigger than I thought.
Yes, it happens sometimes.
Do I need to sign anything?
Yes, just here, please.
Okay, all done.
Perfect. Is everything looking fine?
Yes, looks good. Thank you.
Great. Anything else I can help with?
Actually, do you sell boxes too?
Yes, we have different sizes.
Oh, good. I need one later.
Just let me know when ready.
I will. Thanks for that.
No problem at all.
This is my first package here.
Welcome then. Hope it was easy.
Yes, very easy. Thank you.
Glad to hear that.
Have a good day.
You too. Bye now.